dapat nasabihin na nanggaling sa isang opisyal ng ating bansa?
Yung sa akin talaga, gusto kong tanungin kung okay lang ba siya eh. Nag-aalala po talaga ako eh. Pero the statements were not even, for me, hindi na siya political eh. Parang it's a question of kultura. Nasa kultura ba nating mga Pilipino yung mga ganyan na statements? Ganyan ba tayo pinalaki? Ganyan ba kapaligiran natin? So, talagang nanlilisik. Parang galit na galit sa mundo. So, yun lang. Kaya talagang question ko po eh, kung talagang okay ba siya. So, yun. Follow up? O si Jay.
Hello?
Congressman Rog, your comment?
Well, I have to agree with si Congressman Ortega. I think it's a cultural issue, especially yung relation to dun yung sa disgrace of yung bangkay. And I think most of the people have already complained po, no? I think it doesn't really involve any comment on our part as congressmen, and we leave it siguro to the people to decide on how they would see that as qualities of a leader. You know po.
We'd like to acknowledge also the arrival of Congressman Jay Kung Hoon. Good morning, Congressman Jay. And you can also direct your questions to him.
Sir, follow up. Go ahead.
Following up with that lang po, some of the Young Guns leaders requested psychological evaluation for the Vice President, sir. Would this be firm or may re-recommenda daw po ba tayo na...
Suggestion lang naman yun. Hindi naman, una-una, hindi rin naman ako pwedeng magrekomenda at wala rin akong kilala. Kasi so far parang okay pa naman ako. Pero the people have seen the interview. So parang may something. Ewan ko. Oo. Parang punong-puno ng galit, saka parang parang yung mga lumabas sa ating mga pahayagan, para talagang parang hindi ko alam kung may meltdown o may problema na nangyayari right before our eyes during the press con.
Sir?
Yung kasi yung yun ang lalabas sa news juicy So, dito naman sa Quadcom, from the start, we've been evidence-based. Kung ano po ang mga lumalabas sa aming legislative inquiry, very clear po yun na yun po ang lumalabas at napapalabas po sa social media. But, again, baka it's another diversionary tactic.
Sir, sabi ni Attorney Sal Panelo kanina sa interview, hindi naman daw publicly sinabi ni VP Sara yon, parang sa group chat lang daw yon. Doon sa sinabi na huhukayin nyo, yung paghukay.
Hindi, magaling talaga siya sa ganun. Yung kasi siya yung official interpreter dati, nung dating Pangulo. So malamang ginagawa na rin niya dito ngayon.
Yes. Sorry.
Siyempre galit kung ano-ano na iisip kasi galit. Kasi I think masyado namang pin-prosecute kaya nagagalit. So siguro yun ang reason doon. But sana magbati na lang para walang problema.
Punong-puno ng galit talaga.
Yes. Why do you think po? Bakit po sa tingin ninyo ganun yung nangyari kay and you even mentioned Kong Ortega na parang may meltdown or may problema na nangyayari. Why do you think po na nagkaganon?
Well, siguro sa nangyayari sa ating Vice President, nagkakaroon siya ng, I think she's being overwhelmed by anger and hate. Pag ang isang tao ay sobrang galit, nawawala siya sa sense of decency sa aking paningin. And sometimes, yung how you manage yung hate sa iyong katawan at saka yung nasasaktan ka, it's also a test of your character. Di ba? How you manage these things, it's a test of your character. So in the case of the Vice President, ay lumalabas po yung flaw sa kanyang character. Kasi natatalo ng kanyang galit. Yun po yung aking nakikita as far as this representation is concerned. Maraming salamat po.
Sir, ay, hello po. Parang ang hugot po ni VP Sara, yung ginagawang pagkalkal doon sa kanyang confidential fund, yung paggamit ng pondo ng kanyang office ng Kamara. So ang House of Representatives po ba kayo, magbabago ba kayo or mag-a-adjust ba kayo, maghihinay-hinay ba kayo sa pag-iimbestiga sa kanyang paggamit po ng pondo?
Sa ganang amin, the performance of one's duty should be the primordial consideration. Trabaho po namin yun eh. And therefore, dapat walang let up to show what really happened and so far as the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education when she was still the Secretary. Kasi pag magbibigay po kami ng leeway, hindi po na yata in accordance with our mandate. Ganun po ang paningin namin doon.
Sir,
Before that, we'd like to acknowledge the presence also of our Senior Deputy Speaker, Dong Gonzales. Good morning. Okay, continue.
sir, yung dito sa nakita nyo na, sabi nyo nga may